So, with the announcement of the polling dates by Rajiv Kumar, the chairman of the Election Commission of India, we have the full amount of election preparations, and now the election campaigning will be commencing in a formal way. Elections to be held in 7 phases, ending with the final outcome on June 4. It's a long election schedule, probably the longest that I have seen. And naturally, a lot of entertainment is in the offing. We have the IPL starting shortly, and then the political scene where you see press conferences, visits to temples, saints, right? Media advertisements, all happening all together. Last week was a little difficult one for the Sensex and the Nifty, with the Nifty declining 2.09% and the Sensex falling 1.99%. Both were dragged by decline in the broader indices. The focus was very much on the small cap and the mid cap stocks, which declined about 4 to 5% on the back of SEBI chairwoman Srimati Madhvi Puri Buch raising concerns over stretched valuations and possible bubbles in the small cap and the mid cap sector. In sympathy, we had all these indices falling, but do note that this may only be something which may be a short-term phenomenon, maybe something much larger that is cooking up. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman yesterday has said that the markets have withstood the pressure and look to be in good state. So we had the mutual fund stress tests coming out over the weekend. On Friday, most of them released it, where we had things like the Axis and the Tata mutual fund falling or declaring that they would need for the small cap funds as much as 30 days to liquidate about 50% of their portfolio. But anyway, Sitharamanji's words should be a little bit of a help, because she is saying that the markets look to be in good shape and there's no need to tamper with the markets. I think that those should be the final words. She was speaking at the India Today enclave. We had Pradhan Mantri ji talking about the Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana as well. And he talked about over 1 crore registrations having been received. And Ghar mein he was talking about Gharon mein 300 unit Muft Bijli and सालाना 15,000 की इनकम भी. तो ये भी साथ में प्रधानमंत्री की ने कल इंडिया टुडे एनक्लेव में बात किया. ये सब चीज़ों का इम्पैक्ट आएगा मार्केट्स में. जो शेयर्स इनसे मिले जुले हैं वो सब आएंगे. स्मॉल कैप मिड कैप को थोड़ा प्रोत्साहन देने की कोशिश ठीक है, अच्छा ही है. और लेकिन अगर आप इस हफ्ते को आगे देखें तो इसमें देयर विल बी सम ग्लोबल क्यूज आल्सो व्हिच विल कम इनटू द पिक्चर. इन्वेस्टर्स विल नाउ शिफ्ट देयर फोकस to the most important event of this week, which will be the Fed policy decision. और वो क्या सोच रहे हैं इंटरेस्ट रेट कट के बारे में, their guidelines, their final decisions, press conference of Jeremy Powell. These are going to be, ये बहुत सारा importance global events पे फिर आ जाएगा. मैं डोमेस्टिक कह रहा था, ग्लोबल भी आ जाएगा. साथ ही साथ पॉलिटिकल कैंपेनिंग भी शुरू हो जाएगी. बहुत सारी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रल बॉन्ड्स के ऊपर वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. जो गर्मी की छुट्टियों के लिए जा नहीं सकते किसी वजह से, या पैसे बचाना चाहते हैं, घर में बैठना चाहते हैं, तो बैठ सकते हैं. काफ़ी एंटरटेनमेंट टीवी पे मिल जाएगी. एंटरटेनिंग समर होने की चेष्टा रखता है, ठीक है. और anyway, the focus of the investors this week will shift to global cues and like foreign capital inflows, crude oil prices जो इस वक्त बरत में है, US Federal Reserve Policy Decision जो आउटकम है उसके ऊपर, और ग्लोबल क्यूज. ठीक है, इन चीज़ों के ऊपर काफ़ी ध्यान विश्व का आकर्षण होना शुरू हो जाएगा, भारतीय बाजार भी इनके क्यूज़ लेगा। ज़रूर बुधवार को जो फेडरल रिज़र्व का डिसीजन आएगा, ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे उनकी मीटिंग है, और उसका इम्पैक्ट आप थर्सडे को, गुरुवार को बाजार में देखेंगे। ये हफ्ता विच इज स्टार्टिंग ऑन March 18 promises to be a very volatile week. Okay. So there is going to be lots of ups and downs, and on a day like Thursday, where the market will digest the decision of the US Federal Reserve, there could be several ups and downs. Even otherwise, during the week, morning there will be one complexion, afternoon will be another. You need to be a little careful this week. Next week we'll see a better trend, a single-sided, but this week could get a little volatile. Also presents a lot of good trading opportunities. So if the market is going up in the morning, then the puts will lose value, and suddenly you'll get a turn and you can make good money if you're in the F&O. For the stock markets, there will be election-related various stocks which can start moving up now that the formal elections have been declared. So you can have, obviously, Jeeps and other things are bought during election time. So stocks like Mahindra could do well. Okay? With the onset of summer, you have companies like Voltas can do well. Okay, so the air conditioning units. And I would say that one of the most important beneficiaries of this could be media companies. So various media companies where the advertisements would be put during the election season, like NDTV, these others. Almost everybody will do well this election season because people are going to be putting the ads in the paper. Okay, so it should be an interesting, in the paper, in the electronic media. Okay, so they should all benefit immensely. Going to be a very good business generating season as well, as everything, print media, electronic media, all this gets activated in the backdrop of the election campaigning in the season that's about to commence. सबको कमर्शियल व्हीकल जीप्स वगैरह, महिंद्रा वगैरह, फिर जो पेपर्स छापते हैं और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में हैं, ठीक है, टीवी 18, एनडीटीवी प्रॉफिट, एनडीटीवी वगैरह वगैरह, सबके अच्छे इस बार तो ज़बरदस्त होने वाली है। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया पे एक दूसरे की हाथ के चाई बहुत होने वाली है, तो ये ज़बरदस्त ये सब पैसे बनाएंगे। तो ऐसा नहीं कि इलेक्शन कैंपेन आ गया तो कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लागू हो गया, कि सब कुछ बंद हो जाएगा। कुछ और प्रकट होते हैं। इंग्लिश में कहावत है, देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ बुल मार्केट समवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड। To get to know more, do join our Mahashivratri special, which has daily predictions. And you can also join the premium value package, which is a nice package. You can get full 1 week predictions in advance, as well as various good stock recommendations. Stock recommendations are going to be short and medium term. Now we are not giving very long term because there could be uncertainties, so I'll be candid. Short and medium term, you will get good, interesting shares which can benefit from the elections. So all that in detail. Both are moderately priced. You can join either the Mahashivratri special, which is about to end, or the premium value, all right, package, which gives 1 week predictions and stock recommendations. So you can WhatsApp us on 9820861044 and be a beneficiary of all this. So happy investing to you all, and hope you have a great week ahead. It's going to be pretty volatile, and this is also a very important time for stocks. Those who are investing in SIPs and all need to rethink their strategy. I think SIPs will be one of the worst ways to invest money in 2024. There will be sharp drawdowns in the market. Those will be fantastic. Worst way to invest in 2024 as well as 2025 will be the SIP method of investing. So you can get in touch with us, WhatsApp us on 9820861044. Happy investing. Have a nice day.